right, example 3 here on 10-1. Last one. This one's just a little bit more complicated. As you can see, it has some distribution that we need to start off with. So first things first, going to distribute that 4 to both pieces inside those parentheses. 4 times 7 is 28, and 4 times, I don't know why that is so sketchy. Let's try that again. 4 times 7 and 4 times negative d, because that's a minus d, is a negative 4d. And then no distribution or combining of like terms to do on this side, so I'm just going to carry those pieces down. Yes, I did forget to draw my line down the center. I'm going to do that now. Okay, so no combining of like terms because everything's on separate sides. So that means I need to go ahead and move my variables so they're all on the same side. So I've got a negative 4d I can move or a positive 5d. Again, to avoid the negatives if possible, we want to maybe move over the smaller one. So you could add 4d to both sides, but let me make it clear that it would not be wrong to subtract 5d over here. That would not be wrong. Instead of having a positive 9d on the right side of the equation, you would just have a negative 9d on the left side instead. It will not change your answer. So it is okay if you're doing things a little different. Getting rid of the the minus 17 by doing the inverse of that and adding 17 to both sides. So 9d is equal to 28 plus 17. I don't know. Am I supposed to know that? I could just get a calculator. Could just do it in my head. Feeling lazy. Let's see. 7 plus 7 is 4, 5, 45 maybe? 28 plus 17. I'm so good. I don't know why I just don't use my brain. Okay, last but not least, getting rid of the 9 times d by dividing by 9, not d, leaves us with d equals 5. All right, last but not least, we can do our check, and then we will be on with our life here. I'm just going to kind of scrunch this down a little bit because I moved into my check. All right, so rewriting the problem exactly as it was. 4 parentheses 7 minus. Now, in for the d, I'm just immediately putting my empty set of parentheses. Now I can go ahead and plug in my 5. And now, like I said, we can do our order of operations and follow gems. All right, we do have groupings to deal with inside here. So 7 minus that 5 is going to turn into 2. Carrying everything else down. 5 times 5 is 25. 4 times 2 is 8. And 25 minus 17 is indeed 8. So there we go. That worked out. Yay us.